Ever wonder how to prepare your indoor plants for the arrival of spring? The transition from winter to spring can be a tricky time for our green companions. But fear not, with a few easy steps, you can make this transition a breeze for your plants, helping them flourish all season long. Step 1. Begin with a thorough cleaning. Over winter, dust can accumulate on the leaves of your indoor plants, hampering their ability to photosynthesize efficiently. Gently wipe each leaf with a soft, damp cloth to remove any dust or grime. A clean plant is a happy plant. Step 2. Time to prune. As spring approaches, it's the perfect time to give your plants a little trim. Pruning helps to stimulate new growth and keeps your plants looking their best. Remove any dead or yellowing leaves and trim back any overgrown branches. Remember, always use sharp, clean tools to avoid causing any unnecessary damage. Step 3. Repot if necessary. Spring is an excellent time to repot any plants that have outgrown their current homes. A larger pot provides more room for roots to spread and grow, which in turn leads to a healthier, happier plant. But remember, it's not always about size. Ensure the new pot has adequate drainage to prevent waterlogged roots. Step 4. Adjust watering routines. With the arrival of spring, your plant's water needs may increase. Monitor the soil closely and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. But remember, overwatering can be just as detrimental as underwatering. Step 5. Consider fertilizing. After a long winter, your plants may benefit from a nutrient boost. Use a balanced, all-purpose indoor plant fertilizer and follow the package instructions carefully. Over-fertilizing can lead to burnt roots and unhealthy plants. In conclusion, preparing your indoor plants for spring involves a careful balance of cleaning, pruning, potentially repotting, adjusting watering schedules, and considering the use of fertilizer. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in ensuring your plants transition smoothly into the new season, primed to grow and thrive. Remember, the key to plant care is observation and patience. Each plant is unique and may require a slightly different approach. So, take the time to understand your plant's specific needs and respond accordingly. With these steps, your indoor plants will be spring ready in no time, set to bring you joy and serenity throughout the season. Happy gardening! Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more green tips, and share this video with your fellow plant enthusiasts. Until next time, happy planting, and may your indoor jungle thrive with these fantastic spring prep.